So what is the difference between mean, median, and mode? So in this case, mean is the average of the data set, median is the middle value when data is ordered, mode is the most frequently occurring value. What does the standard deviation measure in this data set? It measures the amount or variation or dispersion from the mean. How is the range of the data set calculated? So range equals highest value minus lowest value. What is the purpose of a histogram in descriptive statistics? It's to visually display the frequency distribution of a data set. When would the median be a better measure of central tendency than the mean? So in this case, it would be when the data set contains outliers or is skewed, since the median is not affected by extreme values. So, for example, median income is a better measure of how an economy is doing because average income is skewed by outliers. Why does a high standard deviation, what does a high standard deviation tell you about a data set? So the data points are spread out widely from the mean, there's more variability. So define the term outlier in statistics. Outlier is data point that is significantly different from other observations data set. What is the interquartile range and how is it calculated? So it's the range of the middle 50% of data. And then how can you identify skewness in a data set using a box plot? If the median is not centered in the box or the whiskers are uneven, the data is skewed. Long right whisker equals right skew. Longer left whisker, left skew. Why is it important to summarize data using descriptive statistics before applying inferential statistics? Descriptive statistics help us understand the basic features and patterns in the data